Hello students, I hope you all are good at home. So I am here to play a game with you. The game name is A Sound Words. So tell me, where is A? Tell me the letter A. Yes, this is the letter A. This is the letter A. A sound words. So today we are going to learn about A sound words. So our first concept is at. At. A T. A and T. What is the sound of A? A. And T. T. At. At. What we say? At. At. Okay. Let's play. What is this? This is the letter B. Yes. B. B. A. T. B. A. T. B. A. T. B. A. T. Bat. B. At a bat. Very good. Now next letter is C. C. A. T. Cat. C. A. T. Cat. Cat means billy. Cat means billy. Meow. Meow. C-A-T. Cat. K-A-T. Cat. Very good. Next letter is, what is this letter? Yes, H. H. H-A-T. Hat. Hat means topi. Here is hat. H-A-T. Hat. H-A-T. Hat. H-A-T. Hat. Okay. Next letter is M. M-A-T. Mat. M-A-T. Mat. M-A-T. Mat. Mat जो हम अपने घरों में बिछाते हैं, जिस पर हम बैठते हैं. Yes. Next letter is R. R-A-T. Rat. R-A-T. Rat. R-A-T. Rat. Rat means चूहा. आपने सबने देखा है ना, हमारे घर में चूहा होता है, चूं चूं करता है और सब चीज खा जाता है वो. Rat. R-A-T. Rat. R-A-T. Rat. Now the next letter is S. S-A-T. Sat. Sat. S-A-T. Sat. Sat means बैठना. जैसे आप अभी बैठे हो, sat. S-A-T. Sat. Good. Next letter is F. F-A-T. Fat. F. What we say? F. F-A-T. Fat. F-A-T. Fat. Fat means mota. Fat means mota. Fat. So I hope you all enjoy this game. So you can make this type of flashcards of your own and play like me. Okay. So all the best and